Once again, welcome to DSS online classes students. So, good morning to you all. So, students, in the previous video, I had taught you the kinds of pronouns. And what were the kinds of pronouns? First one was personal pronoun, and the second one reflexive pronouns that I defined in the previous video. So now we will start the rest of the kinds of pronouns. So number 3, see there everyone, it is emphasizing pronouns. This can be also said emphatic pronouns. So see there everyone, what is emphasizing pronouns? Emphasizing pronouns are pronouns which are used for the sake of emphasis are called emphasizing pronouns. So see there everyone, first one, myself, herself, himself, yourself, ourselves, etc. are emphasizing pronouns. As given, there are two examples. You can see and understand it more clearly. So what is there? Number 1 example. I myself saw him stealing your book. Means no, me, else but I myself. Means, for example, here, who has seen him stealing the book? I have seen. That means I myself. मैंने अपनी आँखों से, मैंने अपने से देखा है, खुद से देखा है इसको स्टील करते हुए, चुराते हुए. ठीक है. So here the importance is that you are giving the value to yourself. You are giving your importance. That means you have seen him stealing the books, not anyone else. किसी और ने नहीं देखा बल्कि आपने खुद से देखा है ना. That means here the importance or the value of I becomes myself. That means myself. You are giving importance to yourself. So second example, see there everyone. She herself went there. How did she go there? She herself went there. No one helped him. यानी कि वो खुद से वहाँ गई, यानी कि किसी ने उसकी मदद नहीं की. That means the importance of she is herself, that she did the work. She went there by herself. No one helped her. So students, number 4. See there everyone, relative pronouns. So what are relative pronouns? Relative pronouns are pronouns that relate to someone with something or someone. ठीक है. Relative pronouns relates to a noun, relative pronouns relates a noun or a group of words that follows. रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस किसी नाउन के साथ या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स के साथ, यानी कि किसी भी नाउन के साथ या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स के साथ जुड़ा हुआ होता है. ठीक है. इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू अ नाउन और अ ग्रुप ऑफ नाउन्स, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. सो सी दैट एवरीवन, देयर आर सम एग्जांपल्स गिवन. यू कैन सी इट. Number 1. It is Mihir Sen who crossed the Indian Ocean. Now the relationship or the relation with Mihir Sen is that the Indian Ocean. Who crossed the Indian Ocean? It is Mihir Sen. यानी कि मिहिर सेन वो है जिसने इंडियन ओशन को क्रॉस किया था. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे जो WHO वर्ड है वो मिहिर सेन को इंडियन ओशन के साथ रिलेट करता है, ठीक है। इट इज़ रिलेटिंग मिहिर सेन टू इंडियन ओशन। Now second one, this is the pen which I was looking for. Which pen you were looking for? This is the pen which I was looking for. यही वो पेन है जो मैं देख रही थी, ठीक है। Now the relation with the pen is which he was looking for. यहाँ पे पेन जो है वही पेन है जो कि वो ढूंढ रहा था, ठीक है। So the relative pronoun in this sentence is which. Number 3, whom do you want to meet? There is someone. यहाँ पे कोई है जिससे ये पूछा जा रहा है कि आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं। That means the person here, whom, is related to someone he has come to meet. ठीक है, यहाँ पे whom जो वर्ड है किसी ऐसे पर्सन के साथ रिलेटेड है जिससे वो मिलने आया है। नाउ नंबर 4, दिस इज द बॉय हुज ब्रदर इज एन IAS ऑफिसर। सो सी देयर एवरीवन, दिस इज द बॉय हुज ब्रदर इज एन IAS ऑफिसर। सो यहाँ पे देखिए, ये वही लड़का है जिसका ब्रदर जो है, जिसका भाई जो है IAS ऑफिसर है ना। हु इज़ रिलेटिंग टू हुम इन दिस सेंटेंस? इस सेंटेंस में कौन किससे रिलेट कर रहा है? यानी कि WHOSE, हुज इज़ रिलेटेड टू ब्रदर ऑफ एन IAS ऑफिसर, ठीक है। सो सी देयर एवरीवन, इन दिस सेंटेंसेस WHO who, WHICH which, WHOM whom and WHOSE whose are the relative pronouns. It is number 5, possessive pronouns. So see there everyone, what is possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns show the possessions, that means the belongings. So see there everyone, number 1, the house is not ours, it is theirs. Number 2, the umbrella is his and not hers. In these sentences, ours, theirs, mine show the possession of something, so they are called possessive pronouns. That means they show the belongings with someone, with something. So note everyone, that means keep in mind or remember it, my, our, your, his, her, its, their are possessive adjectives. So study the table to understand the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So there is a table given here. See there everyone. Everyone see the table and read it carefully. Pronouns, possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. So see there everyone, pronoun that is I, and for I the possessive adjective is my and possessive pronoun is mine. We, our, ours. You, your, yours. He, his, his. That means for he, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun both are his. Same as, see there everyone, she, her, hers. They, their, theirs. It, its. So see everyone, there is one thing again to remember. A possessive adjective will always come before a noun. Possessive adjective हमेशा noun के पहले आता है। सो एवरीवन, थैंक यू, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट video and many best wishes for your study.